Every day, more than 800 women die from preventable causes related to pregnancy and childbirth. Around the world, 232 million women have an unmet need for modern family planning. Nearly 1 in 5 females over the age of 15 has experienced physical or sexual violence by a current or former partner in the last year. With your help, UNFPA works to defend the sexual and reproductive health and rights of women and young people everywhere, and protects them from gender-based violence and harmful practices. UNFPA is the Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency of the United Nations. By 2030, we want to deliver a world with 0 preventable maternal deaths, 0 unmet need for family planning, and 0 gender-based violence. UNFPA is 100% voluntarily funded. Our continued success is built on flexible funding, which allows us to rapidly direct support to where it's most needed. Funding that is reliable and enables us to sustainably plan years into the future. Only core resources can enable UNFPA to program strategically and effectively to deliver a world of fulfilled potential. We thank everyone who has contributed. In 2019, you helped to avert over 47,000 maternal deaths and to avoid over 14 million unintended pregnancies. You contributed to the prevention of over 3.9 million unsafe abortions and assisted in saving over 200,000 girls from female genital mutilation. Your support for core resources will allow us to sustain and expand our global presence in more than 150 countries, including in humanitarian contexts and locations that may not be in the public spotlight. They will allow us to advocate for a human rights approach to sexual and reproductive health and rights, and to build capacities of governments and partners.
I'm proud that Sweden is one of the biggest contributors of core funding to UNFPA.
When crisis strikes, like the COVID-19 pandemic, that's when flexible multi-year core funding becomes more precious than ever. Core allows rapid response to immediately save lives. With our core contributions, even modest ones, UNFPA makes a big difference on the ground for women and girls and young people.
No woman should fear abuse by those closest to her. No mother should lose her life or the life of her child to preventable causes. And everyone should have access to family planning. Because of your unwavering support, these ambitious goals are within reach.